Okay, let's do 7 now. 7 is a sequence or permutation problem that we went over in class on Sunday. So how we figure out permutations is using that factorial thing, that n with the exclamation point. That just means whatever the number of that is times the 1 less times 1's less times 1 less. So in this problem, we know that there's 5 people and 5 seats that they can sit in. So we're going to have the permutation of, we have the factorial of 5, which is going to turn into 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60, 60 times 2 is 120. And they actually tell us that in the problem. They say that, there are 120 different ways in which they can sit together, which we can actually figure out through the factorial. They just tell you that to let you know that at least you're on the right track if you're using the factorial system. Now we got to think a little bit more critically here because the next part makes it a little bit more complicated. They're going to ask, in how many ways of those ways can one particular person sit in the middle? They just made for Martha randomly. But we can think about this sort of conceptually. So if there's 5 seats, I don't know if there's 5 people, let's just call them A, B, C, D, and E. Oh, is that even visible? Yeah, okay, that's, I'm on camera here. And they say that person C is going to sit in the middle every time. Basically what that means is now there's only 4 seats and 4 people. So instead of having a 5 factorial before, because we had 5 people and 5 seats, this time we're going to have a 4 factorial. Because now there's only 4 seats. Because Martha, or person C in this example, has just taken out this seat. This seat might as well not exist, and this person might as well not exist. So really, once you kind of visualize it, you'll kind of realize that instead of 5 factorial, you're just going to do 4 factorial to figure out how many permutations. So then you'll have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to be 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24, and that's going to be the answer you're looking for problem 7 is 24. And the answer for these is just in the back there on page 300 and 301. And if you look back, to number 7, it says 24. So we know we're in the right area with this answer. All right, moving on to the next one.